Well, before you take a bite at the Super Bowl this weekend, you might want to know what health inspectors say they have previously found at Levi's Stadium.
As ABC 7 News reporter Melanie Woodrow explains, it's the same type of violations the Santa Clara County Department of Environmental Health says they often see at other restaurants.
Levi's Stadium caters to more than football fans. It's a foodie's heaven.
We have Asian foods, we have Indian foods, Mexican, barbecue, sausages.
Before the stadium opened in 2014, journalists were invited to taste culinary creativity at its finest.
Kind of once ever look behind the curtain before it comes down.
Now ABC 7 News is taking a more recent look behind that curtain, sharing where Levi's Stadium has at times fallen short.
Nobody wants the public to get sick.
Jim Blamey is director of the Department of Environmental Health in Santa Clara County. DEH has approximately 60 inspectors who cover more than 10,000 food facilities in Santa Clara County, including Levi's Stadium. He says inspections began here before the stadium even opened.
From the carts to the slight meat slicers to the heaters and the coolers.
DEH provided us with Levi's Stadium inspection data from July 30th, 2014 through December 20th, 2015. It shows food facility violations, including one this past October, a dark mold-like substance inside the ice machine.
We're looking for violations of the food code.
The most common violation inspectors say they observed during this time period: improper hand washing.
Having an employee that doesn't wash their hands and possibly contaminate the food is a major violation.
Major because it can cause foodborne illness. Inspectors say they observed this violation even when stadium employees knew an inspection was underway.
When we're in a facility there and walking around with our clipboards and taking notes, people pretty much know who we are.
The second most common violation inspectors say they observed during the same time period: improper food temperatures. Blamey says it's another major violation that can also cause foodborne illness.
From the refrigerators to the holding as they prepare the food, and then when they're actually cooking the food, that the food is kept within certain zones.
He says both major violations are what inspectors often observe at other food facilities throughout the county. DEH says food facilities can correct major violations on site during an inspection. Otherwise, they are closed until they comply. Levi's Stadium food vendor Centerplate denied our request to observe an inspection. In an emailed statement, Centerplate says 100% of service locations currently hold a green placard rating, signifying a safe operation according to health officials. Any violations identified by inspectors were immediately corrected, and no violations are outstanding at this time. As 70,000 fans fill these stadium seats, snacks in hand, count on inspectors to be doing their jobs as well Super Bowl day. In Santa Clara, Melanie Woodrow, ABC 7 News.